Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about the how to write naming conventions in JavaScript. So let's get started. So here we have the first one, that is the camel case. So always use the camel case, right? My variable. So here you can see that variable, and first thing that should be a camel case variable, and the variable name should be descriptive. If say you don't have the right to write like let x is equal, like you don't write this one, let x is equal to 10 or 12. It should be meaningful and the descriptive, and use the camel case that can define your variable name so that other can understand what exactly the variable name do, right? The next one, the Pascal case for the class names, always use like this, not like test function or that function. Always use the Pascal case. Next, that is always use the uppercase for the constants, like my constant. Okay, now you can use that const pi value, that is always constant, so you can also define like this. Okay, so constants always use the uppercase, not the lowercase. Okay, avoid using the single letter names, so this should be avoidable. Okay, and it is not descriptive. Next one, use the verb for the function names, like calculate sum. You can't write that sum. Okay, so it should be meaningful names, right? So calculate sum, we know that it is doing the calculation part. Okay, so that should be meaningful names. Next, you can use the descriptive names, like if I just add the name here, I can just add the name. Which name? First name, last name, middle name, which name? I don't know. Okay, so it should be meaningful name, and this should be like avoided with the help of the first name. Okay, so that should be a camel case you have to use. Okay, next one, use descriptive names in the boolean variables. Let is completed, that is correct, has error. Don't write like this, let error equal to false. Okay, so this kind of things we should be avoided. Should be descriptive, is completed, has error. Okay, that should be true or false. Naming convention for the file names, always use the lowercase. If you are using like this, flower dot jpg, this is wrong. If you, this is acceptable. Okay, so in case of the like case sensitive or something, always use the lowercase for the file naming conventions. Okay, I hope you like the video. So please do like, share, and comment on my video, and subscribe my channel. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. And if I skip something about the naming conventions, components, I think I have missed. So if anything I have missed, just let me down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.